This is the sample of our 16 inches large bilao assorted kakanin worth of 700 pesos. 6 variety of bibiko plan assorted biko peelings, biko latik, puto cheese, sapin, and tikoy roll. Pre-order. We also have long styro bundle set, 8 variety of kakanin worth of 1,700 pesos only. We have assorted puto cheese, tikoy roll, buchi, maha, bikulatik, ubi biko plan, and palitaw. 8 varieties of long styro kakanin. All are pre-order worth 1,700 pesos only. Bound to buog. Thank you, Ma'am Cheryl Montevon. We also have the pahabol orders by Ma'am Manait worth of 1,235 pesos only, and also sold out po ng ato ang excess for today, September 4. Thank you. Follow for more only from Jang's Kitchen.